Hey Confident Naturals, welcome to Janeah's Journey. I'm your girl Janeah Simone. Happy quarantine to everybody and happy safe quarantine to everyone. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a in-home photo shoot with your phone because we can't go outside and take pictures like that. So I'm going to show you guys how to do an in-home photo shoot yourself on your phone. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe button right now and stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to try to work this area right here, this statue. You guys probably know by now this is one of my favorite rooms in my house because it has like a whole bunch of cool stuff in it. So I'm about to try to take some pictures right here next to this statue. I do have my tripod with my phone on it, sitting on this little side table. So at this point, as you can see, I'm just trying things. I mean, it is your photo shoot, you're in your comfortable space. You're really the only person who can see the pictures if you want it like that. So feel free to just try different poses and have fun with it. Alright you guys, so we're gonna go outside and do our second part of our photo shoot because it's a beautiful day. I figured we could just take advantage of this beautiful day. Okay, so you guys can make this, hold on, let me turn down this brightness since we outside. Okay, so you guys can make this photo shoot super simple. Okay, get next to a cute tree, get next to a decent looking car. This does not, it will come out great. People gonna be like, oh, where you at? Like, even if I took a picture right here, for instance, actually, this right here, this tree next to my house. Let's see, we gotta adjust the lighting. Gonna turn down the exposure. So there you go. What's this? And maybe if we get to okay, no, this tree is not working. I'm gonna take some pictures next to my mom's car. Okay, so we're gonna move our tripod with the camera, with this camera on it, right here. Okay, right next to the car. It's kind of leaning, so we're gonna adjust it. Maybe we'll zoom out a little bit. Come on. Yeah, it is nice and sunny. Okay, and then we can just do some kind of poses like this, but let me go get my phone because I'm not gonna be taking pictures on here. I'm taking pictures on my phone. All right, you guys, so I'm kind of struggling on getting the angle, but I have my camera right here. It is on, right now it's on natural light because we're outside. It looks real good. I don't need my deeper ring light because the sun and stuff is like illuminating my skin already. So, here, let me show you guys. Let me just show you guys my camera, my phone. Okay, that's it. So I'm looking real hot, real fire, okay? And yeah, I'm just trying to let y'all see me. You gotta be creative. People don't know where you at, what you doing, who you been with, okay? So you just make it look right, make it look good, okay? So even though I got our old school van in the back in the picture, it's okay, okay? It's all right, we still working it. So we're gonna put this timer on for 10 seconds and we're gonna pose, okay? So pose, we can do off the shoulders. I think 10 seconds is a long time. I think I might shorten it to 3 seconds because I'll be sitting there for a while. Actually, no, I'm not, because I've been using the time to get my life together. So yeah, this picture's coming out hella cute. Like y'all looking from this angle, but it's super cute. Okay, anyways, we are gonna change this angle up a little bit though. All right, you guys, I'm kind of in the grass in my heels, but I'm thinking about working this tree right here. I'm liking the colors, I'm liking how I'm looking. So yeah, I might just get my phone tripod and sit it somewhere over here and take some pictures. So let me see. Oh yeah, this is super dang cute. Oof, I'm about to fall though, but this is super cute. Yeah. I wish the lighting on my camera was looking like my phone right now, but y'all gonna see. I'm gonna show y'all the pictures. Yeah, this is coming out super good. Yeah, I'm looking super cute. Okay, you guys, so basically, yeah, I just want to make this a really quick video for you guys, just to show you guys that you can take pictures by yourself on your phone. You don't need nobody, especially if you have sunlight. Like, you really just need your phone and you need sunlight. If you have a diva ring and you want to take pictures inside, that is awesome. I was using my diva ring inside, but honestly, get creative. Okay, just find a cool spot with something that will look cool in a picture, even if it's not like super cool, but it will look cool in a picture with you. Just do it. Don't sit in the house and just be lazy and, you know, just let the world drop off underneath you, okay? Get up, do something, put on some makeup, put on a couple cute outfits and take some pictures. I mean, if you want. I like it. I do it sometimes. It's really hard to show it on camera though and do it at the same time, but it's okay. I just want you guys to see what I've been doing, one of the things that I've been doing during quarantine. So yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful. If you guys have any specific questions, make sure you guys put those down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.